Okay, this is 407 Honeyhill. This was on your list. This is a Cedar floor plan. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square foot house. You come into the entrance here of the front door, entranceway, hallway to the bedrooms, living area, laundry room. This goes into the 2-car garage, tankless water heater, and you have the bedrooms here, bedroom, nice big walk-in closet, then you have a shared bathroom, and you have another bedroom, another big closet. This house is ready. It's completely finished. List price on it's $334,900. There's some incentives on it. There's a refrigerator, pantry there, washer, living area. This is the main bedroom. Main bedroom comes into the main bathroom. Single vanity. Vanity here. Big walk-in closet. In the water closet here. Looks out into the backyard. The slope of the backyard is going to make it very private. You won't be able to see the people behind you or the people beside you. So that'll be a benefit. Great looking house for $334,000. Again, this is a Cedar floor plan. They have several of these. This is 407 Honeyhill Drive, 1,500 square foot, price point $334,000. If you want to see it, let me know.